What's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and today we are back with another every haircut challenge where we show you barbers that have to cut every haircut in their clientele, every haircut in their books. All right, this is where we show the diversity of a barber, the consistency of a barber. How good are you, all right, as a barber? All right, you will be exposed. Okay, this is not a video where you just post your best pictures. You can't just post your best pictures in this challenge. Okay, we gotta see everything. All right, and today in this video we got Mem the Barber stand up velocity cuts is in the building. I gotta point this out. Headlines don't want it. Headlines don't want it with velocity cuts. I gotta just put that out there because it was put out there. Not by me, but by headlines. You feel what I'm saying? That they don't want it. I'm just saying. Whatever we got to do to make this happen, let's make this happen. Okay? But let's get back to Mem the Barber. Hey, this video right here, we grade every barber from A to a F. There is no plus, no minuses. If you either do a good job, you either do a decent job, or you either fail. And we have yet to see somebody fail, but it's possible. Okay? Don't get me wrong. It is possible, all right? So we got Mem the Barber. Let's just see what he got, okay? Let's just see what he got. Let's. It wasn't like I was in there seeing him, you know what I mean? I already know what he's capable of, you know what I mean? It ain't nothing new to me, you know what I mean? I'm just trying to show y'all what velocity do, you know what I'm just saying. Velocity do big things. Headlines don't want it with velocity cuts. I'm just gonna put that out there. I'm gonna say it again. I wasn't the one that threw it out there in the atmosphere. I'm just responding to what was thrown out. All right, stay tuned. All right, you guys, we are back, and I've said enough. Let's see if Mem the Barber got what it takes. Let's go.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Mem the Barber, and yes, you guys, I am back. I know I've been gone for too long.
He back,
but today,
yes, you have.
I decided to accept that every haircut challenge by 360 Jeezy.
You already know,
dude. I'm gonna tell you like this. I'm gonna accept
us.
your challenge, but if you give me anything lower than a B, okay, anything lower than a B, we gonna have some problems. I'm gonna cross over to your station. And I'm gonna cut some of those waves off. So
hey, you get what you get, and you don't have a fit. All right.
So tomorrow I got like 13 clients I have to cut.
Woo!
Yeah.
Talk to me.
I'm just gonna show the before.
Hey, y'all see me over there?
I got called out by that freaking guy over there. Wait, hold on. That guy right there.
Hey, zoomed in. You see the focus, the determination? Come on now.
Well, we gonna show him.
Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Start off by showing everybody that you're actually doing these cuts. All right? Be creative when you do these videos, man. Don't just keep it standard. Don't just sit here and show the before and after. I mean, that's easy to do. That's easy to do. Hey. Ooh. Faded. Nice. Hey, don't get me to start spitting on this track, man. I'ma need Arlen to stop sitting down though. I can't treat him any less than I did in that last video. Homeboy and Chris Basio video, he was sitting down. So Arlen, you need to stand up. All right, Arlen ain't there no more. See, that's what I'm talking about. Velocity cuts, we in the building, man. When I say stand up, they get ghost, they get out of there. You know what I mean? We ain't just in the video sitting down. But this is definitely clean. Didn't want all natural. Didn't want no lineup. Just wanted the curve. Hey. Clean. You see the shape? You see the shape?
Right,
you see
guys,
the shape?
This is haircut number, I want to say 4, I think. Numero 4.
Hey, this is good texture though. I can't lie. This is good texture. Hey, clean. Line on point. Look at the line. Look at the line, the fade. Look at the curvature to the fade. Come on, man. Velocity cut, stand up. Y'all probably like, GC, you over here gassing your barbers up, bruh. You over here gassing them up. Well, the proof is in the pudding when the pudding is made. All right, Memo, I see an area though. I see an area. I see a little bulk. I see a little bulk though, Memo. I mean, I can't not point that out. That was a B though, Memo. That was a B. That haircut was a B.
Good. Cool, man. Yeah. I got called out by 360 Jeezy.
Oh, why you gotta throw the 100 in there?
Every haircut. So, yeah, no, man. So, what are we doing today, bro?
Same thing. What? You already know. Same thing. We ain't switching it. They ain't switching it up. What? Give me that what you been giving me. That's what I want. Give me that what you been giving me. You know what I mean? Hey, y'all don't want me to spit on this track. Hold on. Yeah. Velocity cuss. What? Velocity cuss. What? Yeah, I didn't even have to say that. Y'all heard that? Clean. Yo, we be putting out good work. Velocity cuss, we got that work. Cutting out good work.
All right, you guys, y'all be sure to get your really bow straight razor. All right, y'all make sure you get that.
Hey, that razor is dope though. If y'all ain't picked up that razor, definitely go pick that up. I did it's on my channel. It's on one of my videos. You can find a link there, or you could go to Mem the Barber video. He got the link in the description. Clean.
All right, you guys. Well, that was my number 6 haircut of the day. Well, I'm about to go to lunch, but I should be back at 2. Take an hour lunch. I'll be back. Oh my God, can you back up? Yo, damn, man, look at my man, dude.
Redo.
Okay, you guys. So we're here at Best Buy. I'm actually recording off my phone.
All right.
But I'm gonna try to get mics from my camera. See you guys.
Invest in yourself.
This Best Buy really doesn't have anything in stock, man.
Invest in yourself.
Come on, man. You guys are Best Buy, right?
I know, man. Our Best Buy is weak.
Yo, check this out. This is how bad Vacaville Best Buy is. So I wanted to see what the hell this was, right? Voila. Nothing in there. Gone. Someone took this shit and took off, you know. But anyways, I'm gonna put this shit back before they think I did it. Okay, you guys, so I came out empty-handed. They didn't have what I was looking for, but I guess I'm just gonna continue bugging Jerry and then George with their mic. But anyways, better than nothing, right? All right, you guys, was number 7.
I got on the drink,
lunch.
I came in on down to these clips. Came here with all dog, but I'm trying to leave with you and your friend.
Just keep it.
I can't sing, but hey, starting off with the bald line. It's all about making sure that bald line is neat, straight, because that depicts how your hair come out. You know what I mean? How neat your guidelines are. If your guidelines are sloppy, chances are your fade gonna be trash. Blended.
All right, you guys. Well, this is haircut number 8. We're gonna do a mid. Numero 8.
I'm on number 3, bro.
Hey, that's when George had all them cancellations.
Okay. Stay tuned for that.
Hey, this is tough. This one's right here is gonna be tough.
Are y'all good? Yeah, man. You wanna come on the video, man? It's all good. Talk to me. Hello.
My uncle do not like the camera. He do not like to being on camera. Where we at, man? It's a lot of ball fades. It's everybody wants ball fades. Don't nobody want like. You know how Matt Gifted Hands was giving everybody a 1 on the tide? You know what I mean? Easy cuts. You know what I mean? All right, Memo. Clean. They don't want it with velocity cuts. Nah. No, they don't want it with velocity cuts. They don't want it with velocity cuts. No, they don't want it. They don't want it. They don't want it. They don't want it. No, 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 they don't want it. They don't want it. They don't want it. We don't want it. They don't want it. No, 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 they don't want it. What? What? Clipper over cone like what? 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 Clipper over cone like what? They don't want it with velocity cuts. They don't want it with velocity cuts. Yeah. They don't want it with velocity cuts. Headline don't want it with velocity cuts. Now, yeah. Tell headlines that. Tag them in this video. They don't want it with velocity cut. They don't want it with velocity cut.
Alright, guys,
what?
so
I'm gonna say it lazy
that was my
too.
number 9 haircut of the day.
Memo, that could have been better though. I'm gonna be honest with you on that one. That one could have been better,
This
Memo.
is client number 10. I'm probably gonna do like a high drop with the number 2 on top.
That's definitely a good texture to
See
do
how
it.
comes out, but this is number 10.
That's what he wanted. Yeah. They don't want it with velocity cuts. They don't want it with velocity cuts. What? No, they don't want it. Headlines don't want it. Headlines don't want it with velocity cuts. Headlines got about good 3 people. About good 3. Velocity cuts got the whole shop ringing like a man narrative duck. Yeah, they don't want it with velocity cut. They don't want it with velocity cut. Like what? They don't want it. They don't want it. They don't want it with velocity cut. They don't want it. Headline doing some big things, but velocity cuts is on another train. On another train. Oh. I gassed the track. Don't get at me, man. I gassed the track. What you mean? I'm gonna break it down to you, man. We on a different type of train. You know what I mean? We going northbound. Like Jeezy, what do you mean? What type of they don't want it with velocity cuts. Oh snap! Come on, man. Come on, man. Hey, I learned a lot from Memo and George.
Number 12,
especially on a styling aspect.
of the day. Got one more and then I'm out. So stay tuned.
Yeah. I gotta keep saying that, man. They don't want it with velocity cuts. They don't want it with velocity cuts. What? No. Headlines don't want it. Headlines don't want it. Nope. Headlines don't want it. With velocity cuts. We out of here, man. It's done. It's over. Killed the game, man.
Alright, you guys. Well, this is the last cut of the day, number 13.
Boy.
Today I had kind of a slow day, but I got through all my clients, so stay tuned.
You know. Alright, man. Yes. Diversity in effect, man. Y'all see this diversity? Y'all see the... Come on, man. I'm just gonna sit back and just... Like I said, I know how they cut, man. So this ain't nothing new to me. I seen this. You know what I mean? I'm just trying to show you guys that they don't want it with velocity cuts. They don't want it with velocity cuts. What? See, I wouldn't be talking like this. I wouldn't be doing this had your boy Chris Bossio not said a velocity cuts versus headline. I'd have been quiet. You know what I mean? I'd been cool. I'd been off to the side, still doing my thing. But since he put it out there to the universe, since he put it out there, and I ain't on mute right now. I ain't on mute. It ain't on mute. I'm just saying, it ain't on clean. Whew. Oh, Jeezy, you just gassing them. Proof is in the pudding.
So today I completed 13 haircuts.
Yeah.
I ended up accepting that challenge by 360 Jeezy. So like I said, it was that every haircut challenge. But I'm gonna tell like this 360. Someone's calling on the phone right now. I'm not gonna answer because I got something to say.
Talk to him.
If
Talk
you
to
give me
him.
anything lower than a B,
Listen.
anything lower than a B, we gonna have some problems. I know where you working. I might cut some of those waves that you got going on, man. So anything lower than the B, we gonna have some problems. All right, you guys.
Hey, come on now. They don't want to with velocity cut. All right, you guys, man, that is it. That is Memthebarber'S every haircut challenge. You already know what I'm gonna give him. I'm gonna go ahead and slap him with that C though, man. Nah, I'm just playing, man. I gotta slap my man with the A to the is A, and they don't want it with velocity cuts. Go run tell that, man. Tell headlines that they don't want it with velocity cuts because we just doing big things, man. I'm just saying. I gotta put big emphasis on it. But since that's all there is, I'm just gonna get up out of here and just throw up the deuces. So make sure you guys follow my man Memthebarber, cause velocity cuts is doing big things. I'm out. Peace. They don't want it with velocity cuts. They don't want it with velocity cuts. Huh? Well, headlines don't want it with velocity. Headlines don't want it with velocity cuts. What?